A hung jury on nearly all charges against a man accused of murdering a Kentucky teacher over at Catholic University back in 2023.
Jamie Mistrial on trial, accused of robbing and killing Maxwell Emerson, who was in the district for a conference. DC News Now's Mistrial Carbone is hearing from some of the jurors.
And the judge declaring a mistrial in the most serious charges in this case, including murder while armed. Now, after deliberating for 8 days, the jury says that it is hopelessly deadlocked on 4 of the 5 charges. The only charge they were able to come to a decision on and a guilty verdict was possession of a firearm after conviction. Now, the charges they could not agree on: murder while armed, robbery while armed, and 2 counts of possession of a firearm while committing an act of violence. Now, the prosecution in this case alleges that Macedo tried to rob Maxwell Emerson and then shot him while in the act, but the defense alleges that the gun went off when Emerson tackled Macedo. The two were interacting for nearly a half an hour before this incident took place. Some of that caught on surveillance video. We talked to some of the jurors leaving the courthouse today about what some of the holdups were and why they couldn't come to a decision on most of these charges. Take a listen to what they had to say.
Most of the evidence is video, right? In video, without sound, without context, without any other information. And a lot of what we noticed was the government didn't provide us with anything other than a couple medical examiners. And for, I think, many of us, the medical examiner's testimony actually lined up more with the defendant's testimony when he took the stand.
For me, when I took a step back and said, if I watched this video without having any context, I wouldn't have known anything was happening. And you can't send someone to jail for the rest of their life based off of a feeling that's not been proven or substantiated.
I think the big issue was intent versus impact, and whether or not the government proved beyond any doubt or a reasonable doubt that Jamie's intent was for these actions to happen, and we just could not get there.
So as for what's next in this case, there's a status hearing set for May 29th. That is when they'll come back and decide how to proceed forward in this case. The prosecution likely coming back to retry those 4 charges. The defense does say that it plans to file a motion asking for bond to be reconsidered to potentially release Macedo as he awaits trial on those remaining charges. Reporting from the courthouse, I'm Mistrial Carbone, DC News Now.